Good morning, students. Welcome in our English class. Last period we learned our first part of the lesson on one in. That period we learn also in this story two characters are very important. First is the Malti and second is the Rima. And Rima also teaches to another children, another our class students also. So this whole story upon the Rima and Malti. Rima also teaches to Malti, and what happened next? This whole part we will learn here our this video. So page number 4. Open your textbook and listen very carefully. So first I read this page and then explain with you. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. And the skirt so long, said clear Katie. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered as the class progressed. Everyone was surprised. So, see Malti raised her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Yes, Malti, you answer, said teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciations. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sound like a clever girl. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Her English is so atrocious. The same may be said of your Hindi. Countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of the participants for the Hindi song category. Aini played sings also, she said sweetly to Claire. Crocs, you means, giggled Claire. They were to be proved wrong. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. So this is very fantastic. Rima's friend also teased to Malti, and what happened one day? Rima also entered the class and teacher also asking us many variety types of questions, and that time Malti always answered very clearly and correctly. When this whole situation saw whole student, that time whole class also very surprised. So this whole part we will learn here. So first paragraph. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on your hair? She asked rudely. Shehnaz also giggled. Giggle means laugh. Shehnaz also laughed. No, every time she was laughed because Shehnaz is the Rima's friend. You understood? So Shehnaz also giggled. Shehnaz laughed and asked the Malti, why you are putting so much oil on your hair? Should you look like very funny, Malti? She asked rudely. Rudely means very loudly. To the Malti. Malti looked awkward but did not reply. Malti only observed to the Shehnaz. Only see to the Shehnaz. Because she is very shy students. You understood? That reason Malti only observed to the Shehnaz and did not any types of reply. Not given answer, any type of answer. And the skirt so long and clear catily. Shehna said, your skirt is very very long. You look like very funny. And she said clear catily. Catily means very cruelly, very badly. And this is you look like very catily. You look like very cruel. You look like very funny also. So Malti flushed. Malti flushed. And she was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. Shehnaz also teased to Malti, no, that time she said how you put so much oil on your hair also, your skirt is very very long, you look like very very funny, you look like very very cruel also. So that time Malti only observed to the Shehnaz, and that time she also replied. She was about to say something. That time teacher also entered in the class. Why teacher also entered in the class? To get in to the class progress. And that time teacher asked many variety types of questions to whole class. But only one student raised up her hand every time. Who's this? This is the Malti. Understood? And Malti also answered very clearly and correctly. And that time, yes Malti, you answered, said the teacher. Malti also raised her hand. No, that time teacher also said to the Malti, Malti, you told me answer. So that time Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded his appreciation. So Malti also every time, each and every time Malti answered very correctly. And that reason teacher also nodded our head. Nodded our head with the appreciation, with the good remark to the Malti. Understood? Next, when Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. When Rima and go back to our home, that time Rima also told to our mother, no? Said to our mother, whole movement, whole situation which are happened in the class, this whole situation Rima also replied. Rima also said to our mother, and that time mother said to the Rima, Malti is very clever girl. Malti is a very like a clever girl. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Uncharitably means very bravely. Very bravely Malti said, Rima said to our mother, what is the use? She is very clever girl. She is very brave girl. But what is the use? Rima recounted this and what is the use? Why? Because her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means very poor. Very poor. What is the use? She answered every and each time to the teacher. But what is the use, mother? Because her English is very poor. His pronunciation is very poor. So next, the same may be said of your Hindi country. Mr. said sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. That time, Rima's father also listened to whole conversation between Rima and her mother. You understood? And that time, when he was listened, no, that time he was very very nervous. Why? Because she also observed our Rima's attitude. Rima was very very rudely talking with our mother. So that reason Rima's father also made Rima's father also getting quite sick and he become very very nervous. Even Mrs. Sen did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter. Even Mrs. Sen is the Rima's mother. Mrs. Sen also Rima's father also did not like this Rima's attitude, and that night they also discussed with each other. What is the discussion? This Rima's attitude. Rima's attitude is very bad. Rima's attitude is very very wrong way. So that topic, so they both are also discussed at the night time. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. That time Mr. Sen said to our wife, we also put Rima into a good school. To Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident also. Smart means very clever and very confident also. That reason we also put the Rima in the second school because I am very afraid. I am very afraid. I am very afraid means frightened. I am very frightened. Why? Because Rima also running into the little snob. Snob means very bad way. So that reason we are also frightened. And next, the following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category and was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily blessing also, she said, sneakily to clear. And next Saturday also Rima school also conducted one competition. Which competition? Hindi song competition, also English song competition. Rima also participated in English song competition and he also gave our name to English song competition. And when he saw the Malti's name in the participating Hindi song category, that time Rima also surprised, no? This oily girl, this also oily plates girl also singing a song. What is what happened? So this is very surprising to the Rima. Croak, you mean giggle, clear. Croak means deep sound like a frog. The frog also making a many variety types of sounds, no? When rain was falling, that time croak also croak, that time make the frog sound. So this is that type sound. Rima also giggled clear. Giggled means laughing. Rima also laughed, no? He also saw when he saw the Malti's name in the participant list. So that reason they were to be proud. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to cheer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. Malti sang very beautifully because she had a melodious means very sweet voice and well-trained voice. Well-trained means Malti also understood what is the song's rules. What is the sound? What is the rhythm for singing the song? So that whole types of information very well known Malti, and that reason Malti sang very beautifully. That time Rima's gang means Rima's friend also decided when Malti was singing, that time we also make many variety types of sounds and to tease the Malti. But Malti singing was start that time. Everyone where who are present in the class, no, this whole class also absolutely silence. Why? Because Malti sang very beautifully. So this is the fourth page, and next page we will explain our next video. You read this whole page and find out the difficult words. Guess in this corner you see new words. So these whole words you write down in your notebook. What is this word? So first is a recounted means told. Atrocious means here is means of very poor quality. Next, sneakily in a nasty manner, and this is a jeer, make rude remark in a loud voice. So this whole part you learn and you find out the difficult words, you find out the past form of the words. Also you also find out types of sentence who are present in this page. So this whole part you note down in your notebook. For example here, so first is, why do you put so much oil on your hair? This is the question mark. So this is the question sentence. This is the question mark also. So this sentence types you find out and note down in your notebook. Next part we will learn our next video.